Hi, my name is Ryan Maynard, and this is my independent design project for eLab. So, when first coming up with my idea for this project, I wanted to do something that will allow me to be more productive. I'm always trying to better myself, and so in doing that, I had the idea of a better way of getting myself up in the morning. So sometimes, um, we set alarms to get ourselves up, but sometimes we like to press the snooze button and therefore we go back to sleep. Well, I wanted to make a way as to where whenever my alarm goes off, my light in my bedroom comes on. And to implement that, I made a I'm using my phone, and so whenever my alarm goes off, it gives off a strobe light which comes from this flash. The CDSL is able to pick up that flash and send and it's able to give a signal to this BJT flasher circuit, which sends an infrared signal from the LED to this infrared receiver, which is sent to a PWM circuit, and then it tells this servo to pull down the chain of my light. So I did run into a few complications. One notably, which is the servo isn't really strong enough. So pretty much if I give it one signal or one pulse from the light, then it will pull down, but it'll stop because of the tension between the light, the chain, and the arm of the servo. In lab, I was able to make it completely turn 180 degrees, but for some reason, when there's tension applied, it needs to be continually told to move, or else nothing will happen. It'll just get stuck, and yeah, nothing will happen. But as you can see, I'm using zip ties and electrical tape around here. It looks pretty jank, I'm not gonna lie, but it gets the job done. So to implement the flash on my phone, I'm using an app that gives off a strobe light. So whenever I activate the strobe, it turns on the light. As you can see, it's kind of struggling, but it's able to pull it down completely. And then remove the light, it stops moving. So another thing I have to do is I have to turn it back every time. I have to kind of rewind it, but it's not a problem. And here's my strobe light. I'll give it another one. So, and my light turns off. And that is my design project. Thank you.